What's up, I'm Jake from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the American Airlines A321 in the America West special livery. This is the fourth out of the four. So we've had the Allegheny, the Piedmont, the PSA, and now finally this is going to be the last video in the sort of back-to-back or series uploads. And this is the America West Retro on the 321 now. This used to be on a 319 as actually this used to be on a it was the 319. I was gonna say I thought it was the 320. It could have been. They might have had it on the 320 at some point too, but it is now officially on the 321 as well. So here we have it. Classic GeminiJets box. It's November. This is 580 uniform whiskey. So we had I think it was like 579, 8. This is 80, 81, and 82. Are the specials, and there's no other ones, unfortunately. They didn't add. American Airlines has never actually done any of the other like football team ones, like how US Airways used to have like the Pittsburgh Steelers, and a couple of the other ones like the Eagles. Had a bunch of other ones, but American Airlines has never actually followed through with doing any of those ones. They've just done the retros for the airlines in which they have merged with or were once at, that existed in the past that now have come under the American Airlines name. So here we have the America West one. Here's the box. There's the aircraft looking good. Looks better than the PSA. No engines off. Information. Back of the box, etc. And yeah, sometime last year it was released. I don't remember when. But yeah, here we go. Excited to have this as well. So 4 American A321s. Now we just need NG to release some regular American A321s with the CFM and IE engines. But yeah, let's take a look at this. Alright, everything looks good. It's intact. Fantastic. Alright. Well, I guess we can go 3 for 4 on good condition and everything. Alright. So here we have the model. Looks fantastic. Very excited and happy to have this. I remember seeing the 319. I think it was a 319. It had to have been back in the days when that still existed alongside the Arizona Cardinal one in Phoenix many years ago. But yeah, it's cool to see this or have this one now. I don't know if I've seen this one in person yet. I know I've seen a couple of the other ones, but yeah, let's get right onto it. Classic GeminiJets mold. The front area here looks alright. You have 321. You got the gear looking pretty good. The L1 door and the antenna with the little One World logo next to it. The smaller American titles right there with the American logo. L2 door. IE engines looking very nice. Great detail there on them. Looking really good. The little fence tips with the America West logo. Very nice. Yeah, looks good. L3 door there, looking pretty good. Antennas and dome there. American flag registration and 580 right below it. Little, I guess the little numbers. And 580 uniform whiskey right there with registration. And the aft door. Love the sort of like gray waves, whatever, to I'm assuming kind of represent the mountains out west. That's what my guess would be for it, but it looks really good. And then you have the America West tail, looking very nice with the logo there. Alright, on this side we've got the bulk bin door, the main baggage / cargo door there, and then the cargo door up front. Engine's looking fantastic on this side as well. Same with the fence tips. Everything looks really good. Overall, good detail. Don't see any issues on this one. We'll take a top-down view look. So there's how it looks on the top down. I'll take a look at the bottom. And I love that green color. It actually looks pretty good. But plain and simple. Landing gear do roll, all rolled, so that's nice. We'll take a look at it head on. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm actually impressed. This is a very nice model. Same with some of the other ones. At least the Allegheny and Piedmont one. disregard the PSA one that you will have seen in the previous video. But yeah, so 3 out of 4 good models, and happy to have these. Like I mentioned some of the other ones, maybe NG will eventually release these, and then I could potentially replace them with the higher quality NG models, mold and whatnot, but I don't foresee that being an issue. Maybe the PSA one, that would probably be the only one I would replace, because that one was broken. I'll have to fix it, but these ones actually are pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with them. We just need some regular livery ones now, preferably. I mean, I know GeminiJets has been doing the Neo. They've done 2 or 3 iterations of the 321 Neo, but hopefully MG will do some of the regular livery ones, which would be nice. Pardon me, guys. But yeah, so with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and the last 3 as well, with the other retro American 321s. And yeah, so with that being said, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.